How to turn on or off device encryption in Windows 11. Device encryption in Windows 11 helps secure your data in case your laptop or PC is lost or stolen. If you're using a local account or want more control over your settings, you may need to turn it on or off manually. Let's walk through how to check support and manage device encryption through your settings. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe now to our IT Video Hub and YouTube channel so you never miss out on smart IT tips and powerful solutions from NinjaOne. Turning encryption on and off. To start, make sure your device meets the requirements. You'll need TPM 2.0, UEFI firmware with Secure Boot enabled, and a Microsoft account for key backup. Admin rights are also necessary. If everything checks out, turning encryption on is simple. Open Settings with Win+I, head to Privacy and Security on the left, click Device Encryption on the right, toggle it on. You'll see encryption is in progress. Don't forget to back up your BitLocker recovery key. You'll need it if you ever get locked out. To turn encryption off, repeat the steps and toggle it off. You'll get a confirmation prompt and see decryption is in progress. You can still use your device while that runs. Know if your device supports encryption. Want to know if your device supports encryption? Use System Information. Press Win+R, type msinfo32, and hit Enter. Look for Device Encryption Support. If it says meets prerequisites, you're good to go. You can also check with PowerShell using this command. A protection status of 1 means it's encrypted, 0 means it's not. Keep in mind, device encryption is not BitLocker, though they're related. BitLocker is more advanced and customizable, while device encryption is automatic and meant for consumers using Microsoft accounts. For more information, check out our official blog post on enabling device encryption in Windows 11, linked in the description below. Be sure to subscribe now to our IT Video Hub and YouTube channel so you never miss out on smart IT tips and powerful solutions from NinjaOne.